Okay, gentlemen, in the morning I promised you variety in your tasks, but so far you people were sitting and talking only. So are you ready for some action?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So the task you are going to do now is called progressive group task. You people are going to work as a group, therefore it's a group task, and you will be tackling a series of 4 obstacles starting with a simple one, and as you move ahead you will find later obstacles are not so simple. Therein lies the progressivity in the task, right? Now, in your selection centers when you go for your SSB, they do not have natural obstacles like river, nala or broken ground, etc. So they have a simple method of drawing 2 white lines on the ground and declaring the ground in between as out of bound. Thereby, it becomes an obstacle which you have to cross with a load. To facilitate your crossing the obstacle, there are some structures placed in the out of bound area, and you can make use of these structures. They will help you in crossing the obstacles. In addition to this, you will also be provided with some helping material in the form of a plank, a bully and rope. Now, there are 5 rules which you have to adhere to when you are tackling progressive group task. The first rule is group rule, which means that all of you, along with your helping material and load, must cross one obstacle before anyone can go to next obstacle. Second rule is distance rule. Any distance of 3 feet or more must be bridged across, and you cannot jump across more than 3 feet. Third rule is color rule. Besides the ground between the white lines, any structure which has got red color on it is out of bound for all of you, your helping material and your load. Any structure which is painted blue is out of bound for your helping material and load, but you can stand on blue color, you can touch blue color. And any structure which has got white color on it is inbound for all of you along with your material and your load. Any doubts about this?
No, sir.
Okay. Fourth rule is rule of rigidity, which means you cannot tie 2 rigid helping materials to increase their length. However, you can tie the helping materials to the structures inside. You can keep one helping material on top of the other, but the restriction is only for tying them together to increase their length. And last rule is rule of infinity, which means that the start line and finish line are extending. You have to imagine that they are extending to their left and right till infinity, thereby meaning they are parallel and don't meet anywhere. Okay? I will now take you to these obstacles, show them to you, and in case you have any doubts, you can clarify the doubts. So instead of tying, can we do something which will save time? The way this person has supported the bully, that much is enough. Why do you want to tie it to the structure?
Wait a second. We'll move it back and we can give it. Just put it on the plank.
No, the plank will
touch the ground. So we have to grab this.
So do you have to grab it like this?
No,
Hold on. Hold on, stand up, stand up. Can't we support it like this? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
One person can stand on the other side.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So support.
So instead of going to the platform, can you come straight to the platform or the plank?
Don't step on. Go back. Go back. Put your step on this one. A little bit. Don't take. Yeah. Put your step. Yeah.
Put your step there, okay? Next one. Put your step there. Okay, have to maintain the balance perfectly. If you are not maintaining the balance, that will
So look at your helping material. You have one plank, one bully and a rope. This is your load. Imagine this load to be a sensitive electronic device which you are going to use subsequently. All right?
Yes, sir.
This white line where you are standing is the start line of this obstacle, and next white line in front of you is the finish line. Can all of you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you have a structure which looks like a bench and it has got two protrusions forward. All right? Then we have this structure which is like a pole, and it has got a horizontal attachment towards its bottom side. Along with this structure, you can see there is a platform which is blue in color but partially white in front. And there is another blue platform next to it. If you look this side, you have a structure which is shaped like letter A, and there is a small picket in front of it. Then we have a platform here which has got its forward edge painted red. Then we have a frame kind of a structure, steel frame, and two panels on the steel frame have got a circle, small circle in the center, and these panels can be opened up. And there is a small white projection on the front edge. And then it has got a blue platform next to it. Any doubt about any of these structures?
No, sir.
So would you like to revise the rules so that you are clear about them?
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you stand where I am standing?
No, sir.
Why not?
It is out of bound.
Because ground is out of bound for all of you. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Can you stand here?
Yes, sir.
Can you put your helping material here?
Yes, sir.
Can you put your load here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because white color is inbound for all your helping material and your load and you. Okay, can you stand here?
Yes, sir.
Can you put your helping material here?
No, sir.
Why not? Because blue is out of bound for your helping material and your load. Please remember, some SSBs may use green or yellow color instead of blue. Right? Okay. Can you stand here on the red strip?
No, sir.
Why not? It is out of bound. You cannot touch red color. And if you cannot touch, naturally your helping material and your load also cannot touch red areas. All right. Can any one of you move from the sides?
No, sir.
Why not? Rule of infinity. You have to imagine the start and finish line to be extending to their left and right till infinity. Okay? Now let's say chest number 90 is an athlete. He is a long jumper. Can he take a jump from the start line to this platform here?
No, sir.
Why not? It is more than 3 feet. So any distance of 3 feet or more, you cannot jump across. You must reduce the distance to less than 3 feet. Okay. Can you tie the bully and plank together and try to reach this platform here directly?
No, sir.
Why not? They cannot be tied together, but they can be kept one on top of the other. Right? Assuming 2 persons are inside the obstacle, 9 of you have crossed finish line, can any one of those 9 persons go to the next obstacle?
No, sir.
Why not?
Because we cannot.
Entire group along with the helping material and load must cross the finish line before anyone can go to next obstacle. All right?
Yes, sir.
So any doubts about the rules or the task?
No, sir.
No doubts?
No, sir.
So you're ready to start?
Yes, sir.
Please start. Can you call one more person ahead?
No, sir. No, sir.
Why not? Give it a try. All right, please remember not to step between the two supports. Otherwise, you will destabilize the helping material. So where are the two supports? This point and here. On this patch, you should not step. Otherwise, you will destabilize the arrangement. Hurry up.
Put your step here.
Now, when you are walking on the plank, do you require anyone's support?
No, sir.
All right. Please move. Now tie a knot here. And whatever is the loose end of the rope, tuck it in so that when you pull out the plank, it will not touch the ground. One more knot. Okay, now slowly pull the plank towards your side. Don't let the rope fall to the ground. Okay, now lift it. Both of you lift it.
You don't have to be so strong. Okay? It is stable? What stability we can now? Take it. Just wait. Wait. Slide it a little bit. Now? Yes. Okay. Now just take it. Now it will be more stable. No, I think it is not more. It is stable.
Okay, don't waste time. Now, is this how you are going to support the bully? Right, move.
Put your step in the center and then come the belly. No. Other thing.
Okay, well done, gentlemen. Please collect your helping material. Now, please remember, this was a controlled practice wherein you were given adequate time. In the real practice, when you actually go to the SSB, you will not have this much of time. All right? So you should learn to evolve the solutions quickly, learn to quickly execute them. All right? Sir, he can, videograph this group also. आपके साथ? अच्छा, एक ही ग्रुप.
स्टेजेस करता हुआ आ रहा है
सर,
पीजीटी
सर.
इनके हम क्या करेंगे पूरा नहीं दिखाएंगे बीच में
The relevant clips we can take out.
एक ही ग्रुप स्टेज 1 स्टेज 2 स्टेज 3 ऐसे करते हैं
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Right,
फिर
sir.
हॉच पॉच
Sir.
इनका
Got
हाथ
it, sir.
स्टार्ट करा देंगे
ठीक है सर. ठीक है सर. Right, sir. Right, sir.
Because we have to make a base. No, no, it will not. Because our weight. Yes, yes. Just lose it out a little bit. You can.
On off the provision. Anything I'm speaking is coming. इसको बाद में वो कर सकते
You can
हैं.
attach the rope here to make it more strong. I don't think that it will. No, I mean.
All right, look carefully. Is there a requirement to tie the rope on the rear structure? How will it help you?
But sir, we have to reduce the length.
Reduce the length of what? So why can't you wind it in on the front structures?
Sir, when we wind it,
Where is the disadvantage in that? You are increasing your work and it is not going to help you in any way.
This time this will be looped more than. No.
Also, please remember, when you are tying the rope, you must have adequate length on both the ends of the rope so that you can make a knot in the end.
Yes, sir.
Tie a knot in the end. Right.
No. Now it is enough. It's enough. We are doing hold out. So why this is your take the bully over there, then put the bully inside that. Yes, we'll do it first. There 2% is stand there. Okay, I'm going. 94 it will go. Come, don't.
Why do you have to readjust the bully when it was already in right position?
Okay. Yes. From 93, we can come there. Start. Easy for you. Come there. Easy. Yeah.
Have you violated any rule?
That is out of.
Okay, do you have a problem with your balance?
Yes, sir.
Why is there a problem? You should not have any problem. Maintain your balance. Just step on the bully and move. Now can you give support to your friends? This is the place where you should give support. Go back and demonstrate again. You don't have to unnecessarily stand on these pickets. Just take one step and move on to the bully. And then you can support this person when he comes closer.
Just reverse the bully. It will be difficult.